In this video, you'll learn how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp. This process will guide you through each successfully remove a campaign from your account. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see the dashboard with various options available for your account. Next, locate and click on the campaigns option in the left-hand menu. This action will direct you to the campaigns overview page where all your created campaigns are listed here. You can see the status and details of each campaign. After that, select the specific campaign you wish to delete. Click on the campaign name, which will take you to the campaign details page. Ensure you are on the correct campaign before proceeding to the next step. Then look for the Actions button, typically found near the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your campaign. Once the drop-down menu appears, scroll through the options and click on Delete. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog to ensure you want to proceed with the deletion. Following this, a prompt will appear asking if you want to delete the email campaign. The message will indicate that this action cannot be undone. Take a moment to review this information carefully. Next, if you are certain you want to delete the campaign, click on the Delete button in the confirmation dialog. This step is crucial as it finalizes your decision and removes the campaign from your account. Finally, you will see a message stating that the email has been deleted. This confirmation indicates that the campaign removal process is complete and you will be redirected back to the campaign's overview page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.